Alright, to viewers, here we have this Windward 48-inch ceiling fan. This was new in box. It was missing the mounting hardware and upper canopy and down rod. So I took the hardware and canopy off of the TAT down there. And I was able to cut a down rod I had leftover scrap. And it fits. Let's get a look at that label. I don't know if you're able to get it all the way over there. Windward. It's over there. The label up here on the motor. First of all, there's our, like a service number maybe. And then the Windward label. Yep. Alright. These things are not, see the straight blades? They have the rounded tips though. Alright, let's go ahead and put this fan on low speed. Not enough. Medium low. Fan's new, so it probably has stiff bearings. Cast iron. Love the nut. The nut on the bottom of this one is beautiful. One thing, this is a 48-inch. The owner originally wanted $150 for this thing. I told him there was no way anyone would buy that, especially missing pieces, and I talked him down in price. Still didn't get for a price I would have been okay with, but I got for a decent price. I'm not going to complain that much. Alright. Medium high. Did I get on right? That's all right, my bad. Really need to replace this control. Runs this fan actually did come with a control. I might replace it with that one. It's a 5-speed transformer based control. There's medium high, and now for high. Definitely moves good air. I'm actually quite impressed by this. Basically the same design as the TAT UFO fan I have. Different type of motor though. Same blades and everything else. There we go. Expecting spin down to be quite short. I did get the warranty card of this fan and the instructions for this fan also. Warranty card, I'm pretty sure, doesn't do anything anymore, but it's cool to have. This fan I'm probably going to keep unless I get one heck of an offer as a trade. Considering how much I put into this fan and how much it cost me. The owner, eventually I got this fan, but it was just a pain. It was up there for a long time, I think almost a month. And I messaged the owner twice, and he just told me to call him, and we talked about it, and I was going down there for the original that I just videoed. And this was actually just down the street, so I figured I'd come over and see it, and that's when we worked out a price. And here it is. Just because that was a quick spin down, let's go ahead and just do a straight to high. And that thing moves some air. And this one, yes, is light adaptable. You got a nut. Either that's running. Let's go over here. There's the control. Donald. Windward. And here's the motor's box. The siphon motor within. Here were the instructions. There might have been a bottom after that. That's all I got is that. And this is the. If I can get it open. There we go. Empty card. So, either way, thanks for watching.